Generate production plan. Petpooja has a central kitchen module, and the main purpose of central kitchen is to pre-pack or pre-prepare the materials used in day-to-day operations of outlets. Let us see the most important function of all, which is generate production plan in a central kitchen. So as you can see on my screen, you have to get on the owner's dashboard of central kitchen outlet and go to the inventory section. Inside inventory section, under the consumption heading, you will find another heading of generate production plan. Here you can apply filters date wise and select your restaurant kitchens if needed. If you want the plan of all the kitchens, then click all and click on search. Two lists like so will be displayed. The left one are the items requested in PO that needs to be prepared, and the right one is raw materials required to prepare the items in PO, which means all the outlets which are mapped under the particular central kitchen will only be displayed here. If you have 10 outlets and 3 central kitchen, then you can map them into a system, and all the outlets mapped to this particular kitchen's PO lists will be displayed here. Now the items mentioned on the left hand side are all the items that consolidated all the outlets need. Here on the right hand side, you will be displayed the raw materials required to prepare the items in PO. So these are the list of raw materials that they need, and these are the list of raw materials that you need to procure for creating these many items. Now you can select the raw materials present on the right hand side like so and click on raise purchase request. You can select your supplier and you will be transferred to the request for purchase page, where all those items in all those particular quantities will be listed and a purchase request for the same will be generated. Again, we came back to the generate production plan page. Here you can choose those items which you would like to. The lists displayed on will be displayed in the Excel. You can use this to create manual production plans or distribute plans as per your kitchen types or for any reason. So this was about generate production plan in Petpooja. Thank you.